Hello, welcome to a very special episode of Geeked Up Board Games. My name's Carl and today I'm going to teach you to play one of my all-time favourite games, Kingdomino. Kingdomino is a modern spin on the classic tabletop game Dominos. It's for 2 to 4 players and it is seriously fantastic fun. So to start with, each player will be randomly assigned a colour. They'll receive a coloured tile, a castle and 1 or 2 of these little men here. That's the basis of your kingdom. After that, you'll shuffle out 4 random dominoes and put them in numerical order like this. The goal then is to flip the dominoes over to reveal the faces, which our technical department should, there we go. Once you've shown the faces, you then randomly deal out some of the player tokens. So you drop a random player token out of your hand, place it on the top domino, do a second one on the second domino, third one on the third domino, and a fourth one on the fourth domino, like this. If you're playing a 3-player game, just use 3 dominoes and 3 men. If you're playing a 2-player game, keep the 4 dominoes, but give each player 2 of the little men instead. Okay, so once you've done that, you then shuffle out another 4 random dominoes in numerical order and flip those over as well, like so. The first player then takes the domino they've been assigned. They're going to play it next to their kingdom. They will then choose any one of those dominoes on the side that they want for round 2. It then moves play down the order as it's displayed there, with each player doing the same action. You then, for round 2, deal another 4 dominoes and do the same. Okay, so how can you place your dominoes in your kingdom? Well, your kingdom will start looking like this. Any domino can be placed next to your kingdom. So you will simply take the domino that you've been assigned, place it next to your kingdom. But from there, you have to abide by certain rules. So like dominoes traditionally, only a matching picture can connect to a matching picture. So you would then take a matching tile and place it next to yours. You would have to make sure that you're abiding by the rule to stick to a 5x5 grid. So in this instance here, we can play that cut domino because it's 5 long. You couldn't play any on the other side, but that's fine. But this would be an illegal move because that would be 6 long. That wouldn't be a 5x5 grid. You can't do that. Now you might encounter times when you can't place a tile at all, like this. In that instance, you have to discard that tile and you can't use it. At the end of the game, each player will have played or discarded 12 tiles and you'll jot up the points. How do you do that? To calculate the points is really easy. Each section of your kingdom where the tiles combine is an area. You want to look for crowns within that area and multiply the number of crowns by the number of tiles. So any areas that we see up there with no crowns are 0 points regardless of how big they are. However, the trees, they've got 1 crown. They've also got 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tiles. So the trees will get you 10 points. If you look at these bricks here, they have got 2 and 4 crowns and 2 sections. So that's 8 points. And the water, well, there's another 8 points there. So that's how you calculate the points. Now remember, you might have to discard some tiles. So as a fun bonus challenge, if you can complete your kingdom like this without discarding any tiles, gain 5 bonus points. If you manage to do that with your kingdom at the centre like that, you get another 10 bonus points. So a total of 15 bonus points. Highest scorer is the winner.